manual swapped SL500. I'm driving to a shop that's going to help me figure out the cutting out issue. When I rev the car at like first gear, it cuts out at around 4,000 RPM. Something to do with the computer and stuff, and he has a way of kind of reprogramming it, so I'm gonna head over there. Hopefully he could fix my issue. As you can see, it doesn't make any more noise from the drive shaft. The issue there was I needed a little spacer where the bolts go to kind of make the drive shaft more even, so it doesn't rub on the pin on the transmission. So now the drive shaft sits more straight, it's not making that noise anymore. And I also had a rear main seal leak.
Ash is not going to be happy about this.
Had that fixed, replaced the rear main, and it hasn't been leaking so far. So yeah, one of the last issues is just fixing that cutting out issue, and I'll see you guys there. Hopefully it makes it. It's the farthest drive I've done so far, but it's driving pretty good. I like it. This is how you know you're at the right place. 2 Cosworths, another SL. Man, these things are sick. So unfortunately, he was not able to do anything. He tried to reprogram it to a another model that had a manual, but it wasn't working. He wasn't able to do it. So I'm still having the issue where it cuts out. I'm gonna have to find some like crazy Mercedes nerd head that could code the ECU to not put it in limp mode, so it'll rev over 4,000. So yeah, if you guys know anybody, let me know, but so far I guess I'm gonna have to just live with that issue. But I do have a aftermarket radio that I wanted to put in here. It's a really nice radio. It has like a OEM look. It looks really nice. I don't like those aftermarket radios that have all those colors on them and stuff. This one looks like it came with the car, but it has Bluetooth and everything, so I'm gonna get that installed, and I think you guys are gonna like it. So yeah, let's do that real quick. So to pull your old radio out, you need these little tools right here. You stick them in on the bottom right there, and then you can pull your radio out. So after you pull your radio out, you can unplug it back here, a couple plugs, and then your old radio will be out. So I bought this radio right here. Looks pretty nice, and as you can see, the connectors are exactly the same, so no wiring needed, just plug and play. There's the part numbers. So I'm gonna install this, just plug everything in, put it in, and see how it works. So after you connect everything in the back, don't forget to put in the bezel so it holds in place, and then just slide it in. Slide it in just like that. So there we go, I got it all in. Look at how nice that looks. It looks just like it's supposed to be there, just like factory. Let's make sure everything works. There we go. It's even got a yellow color. Volume works. Now to connect your phone, you just have to go into your settings, and that'll be Bluetooth. And then once you connect it through there, you have to put in the code. It's in the manual. There's like a code in the manual. Mine was just 1234. You put that in on your phone, and then it'll connect to this radio, and then you can click on source, and it'll be this one right here. This will be Bluetooth, and then your Bluetooth audio will work. And then when you're done, just take the key out, turns off. Clean OEM looking radio with modern Bluetooth, aux, and USB connection. Super easy to install. I'll leave the link in the description below. It also comes with these tools right here that you stick into the side. You remove this little bezel, stick them in the sides, and then you can pull the radio out, so it has a little locking mechanism. And then it also comes with some plugs. If yours don't match, you can wire these in. And then it has some like aux cable stuff. Pretty much you could just wire this in and have it like somewhere in here, so if it's not a wire sticking out through here. And then it comes with a microphone as well, so you could hook up a microphone to it when you're talking through Bluetooth phone and stuff like that. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.